Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Wednesday, July the 17th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you have for me, you can use this email address, and this is a link to get into our free room, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our trading room. And I open the room every morning at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen. Get live on the mic at about 9:05, and then I will go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. In the email you're getting, you'll see a promo code for 15% off the first month or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. All right, well, this is turning into a broken record. Kara again and again and again. So if you haven't seen my previous 3 or 4 videos, and Kara was an alert from our AI on Thursday, and it did nothing on Thursday. I think it might have, maybe gone up a dime or something like that. And then if you've been watching the video and you've been in the trading room, you know that what I'm doing is I'm looking at the AI alerts. I will track them the following day, the ones that were positive, at least even if they were just mildly positive. And so Kara has been unbelievable. This is Friday, this is Monday, this is yesterday, and this is today. Now, there's some chop. Don't get me wrong. There is some chop. Here was fairly easy on that break. This was really easy. It just went straight up. Yesterday's a little more choppy. Today, I've decided that what I'm doing with the symbol list that I'm creating of the AI alerts, they don't have to necessarily all be just from the day before. I will maintain some of them if they still look like they're good and they have a void on the weekly or the daily chart, and they're closing well. So that's why I kept Kara. So I traded Kara twice today. I got in here 26.63. Why? Well, there's the alert. There's the high right there of yesterday. So it took out the high. So I traded it right here and got up. It popped through that whole number, or it touched the whole number, 27. It tried it again, and then when it looked like it didn't want to do it, I decided to get out. So I got out most of it at 26.92, and then on the way down. However, I re-entered as it took out that whole number again. This time it looked like it was more volume involved, and so I took it out, took it right here, 27. I have traded some out right here. But the interesting thing also, it's interesting, I didn't even realize it, that it was an AI alert today too, 2677 on the alert. So I didn't even realize it. I was just following it because it had been a previous AI alert. Now another one that I did today, nothing spectacular, believe me. DX, you can see it was an AI alert yesterday too. There's the high, 1718. I ended up taking this trade right around here, 1722. Got as high as 1730. Now, as I said in the room though, take a look at it on the weekly chart, and you'll see right there, a lot of resistance right there around 1740. So I went into this one eyes wide open, not thinking it was really going to do much. I thought I would take it just as, even I could make 5 or 6 cents. That was fine. It's more of a test to see how well we have continuation of some of the AI alerts the following day and days. Now, I have put an alert right here at 1741. If it takes this out, if it takes it out today, probably won't do it today. But if it does take this out sometime this week, I'll certainly want to know about it, because then you've got a void. Then you've got this. If this weren't here, look at the Kara. Look at the difference. When you look at a weekly chart on Kara, remember now, we were getting the alert down here. So all we had to worry about this, but that was what? That was about $3 away. So, and look what it did. It has taken this out with no problem. But at least when I first got into this one, I could look left and say, all right, this could potentially have $2 or $3. I cannot do that. I could not do that with the DX. I'm just looking right there. But if it can get through this, then you look left, and now, right there is what, 1740-ish? The high's up here. That's $1 away on an $18 stock. That'd be great. So that's kind of my thought process on all of this. I did have a few other little trades. I actually traded Fran in the pre-market. I guess I got fortunate. Let's get to the 15-minute chart here. Yeah, I mean, this had a tremendous run in the pre-market. I actually didn't get it until it broke 5. This was a reverse split of, I think, early June. And then today, a fund disclosed that they owned 20% of the company. So that caused this stock to pop all the way up here. I took this trade right over the whole number of 5. Got out most of it right around here at 539 and on the way down. And it looks like it's not going to do anything anymore. If this were a bio, it may have more oomph to it, but it's just it's a clothing company. So, but that kind of made my day. This pre-market trade. I did have a couple of other ones. Unfortunately, I got taken out of this one. This one I shorted. It was right here, 32.51, and this is sort of a recommendation from Real in the Room, and it did get down to 47, but then it did this, and that took me out. I took a very small loss. I remember what it was, maybe I think 5 or 6 cents on it. Moved up. Now it did. Obviously, if it had done this here, it'd have been great, but it took me out. Another one that took me out very quickly was GWB. I love this. This was an earnings play, and it was right there. It broke down through the whole number, 32. There's really no support for it. It did get down to here, 31.69. I think I took this short at 31.94, just underneath the whole number. And then look at this, a nasty candle. The buyers just poured right into this. So I ended up taking I think a 3 cent loss on it. And that's really about it. I know I had a little short on AEO early on, but that's about it. Just looking, that actually was a fairly active trading day for me. But I had about 2 or 3 that were just kind of quick in and out, small losses that didn't quite work. But the Fran worked, and of course the Cara really worked well. All right, a very exciting day, and we're not even in earnings season. Today is Wednesday, so we'll have a few more tomorrow and Friday, but next week we're going to have 800 plus companies releasing earnings. So be very, very active. I'm very interested to see how many of those get into the AI, and that I'll be following the following day. It'll be very interesting to see how that is going to work. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room, so I'm going to bring back the capture program. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. And again, this is a link for our free room. And I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I hope to see you there tomorrow. Bye-bye.